Hey there, beautiful people. How are you doing today?
Bye! Oh, yeah. Gotta start with the bye. Linky's saying bye. So, guys, we are on a road trip. We are headed to Panama City Beach, right?
Yeah.
And Steven and his band are going to be playing this week. It's been a long time since we've done this. We're really excited.
So excited. It's been forever and ever and over a year.
It's going to be so nice. And we apparently have a condo like right on the water.
Yes.
And so I just think it's going to be a really fun time with the kids. But we had to leave at like 5 in the morning. So
it's a little bit of a rough start. We were like going, everyone woke up at the same time and they were all like, we're really hungry. And so we stopped at a Starbucks and we waited for an hour for our food and they didn't give it to us. So we're at McDonald's.
It was, you know, we do a lot of Starbucks and have had a lot of really good experiences with them. This was not one of those experiences. And
rough.
we were like, we just need to go.
We're gonna be late. So.
Yeah. Anyway, so guys, we are at McDonald's now and we're waiting on our food. We're just trying to do something quick because he's got a sound check this afternoon. And so
it is amazing how you can feed your family at McDonald's for like $5. You have a family of 10 and it's like, I'd like a million things, and then they're like, that'll be $5. And
yeah, he gets a refund from Starbucks and then pays like a fifth the amount. And when you have a large family, you know, it can come in handy. We try to be healthy, but sometimes you're on the road and just gotta do what you gotta do. So they're gonna be bringing out the food in just a second. Lincoln's ready to eat. Are you hungry, Lincoln? We had some snacks and stuff. I did bring some stuff for him while we were kind of waiting, but it is 10 o'clock now, and so everyone is definitely ready to eat, and then we gotta get back on the road.
It was the cutest thing ever though, guys, because everyone's sleeping in the car, but Lincoln was awake, and I'm driving, and I look back, and he's like, looking, trying to get my attention, looking, and I look back, and he goes, and then he starts going, hey buddy.
Yeah. So we're good. Oh! That's so cute!
He is giving me all the kisses, guys.
Oh, that's a new thing he's doing. So we've got a few more hours to go. How many more hours?
Like 3.
Okay, so
4.
Not too bad.
It would probably be, I don't know, because I just lost an hour of my life, so I've lost all sense of time right now.
1 hour of your life.
I've just sucked 1 hour from your life.
How do you feel? So we're gonna eat breakfast and get back on the road and get to our destination. Thank you. We got food, guys. Woo! Lincoln's excited. You guys ready to eat some breakfast?
Ready, guys.
Yay! So we got some of these like egg and sausage platters for Steven and Lincoln, and I think Reese has one. And then some of these like egg and sausage sandwiches and a chicken biscuit and a whole bunch of hash browns. Can you guys see these?
Super healthy things.
A whole bunch of hash browns too,
Those
guys.
aren't good though.
They are
good. Has your mom ever made
good.
anything as good as a McDonald's hash brown?
Not even close. Thank you, Jim Gaffigan. All right, we're gonna eat up this breakfast and get on the road.
Ethan and Liam, whenever they take a bite and
I made a good choice.
They go like this. This is Ethan and Liam.
Is it good? Oh, he likes it. It's a reunion.
Okay, so I just met my band guys. I
Sweet
haven't seen
little
them
reunion.
so long. It's been so long, and half of them have like 300 more tattoos than they had last time I saw them, and
They're all grown up.
it's just they're all grown up. It's so amazing. So it was a joyous reunion, and they're kind of getting their gear set up. The production company's not really ready for us yet. They said they're probably not gonna be ready to sound check today. So, and our rooms aren't ready. So we're gonna go and just kind of take a look around the resorts and kind of show the kids the area. And
we just stopped in for some smoothies and salad, and the kids had some hot dogs and stuff. So we just did a quick lunch. And so we're just gonna like kill time a little bit. It's kind of nice to have a slower pace. Like a lot of times we get to these events and then it's like go, sound check.
Usually it's like we're racing against the clock to get sound checked in time. So the fact that our first day we're not even having to sound check, that's pretty crazy. They
play tomorrow, so we kind of get to ease into this, and so we're going to go ahead and go inside and let the kids just explore the hotel a little bit while we wait for our room.
Did we mention it's opening ceremonies for the Olympics tonight?
Oh my gosh, guys.
We've been looking forward to this for a long time. So
very much so. This is going to be a fun evening. We're going to order some dinner to the room, turn on the Olympics, look at the ocean, just relax. All right, guys, let's go inside.
Let's go.
Okay, you ready? You guys ready? Legs.
You ready to get out? He's like, get me out.
He says, let's go, Daddy. We've been in the car a long time, huh?
Yeah, buddy.
Oh, yeah. You guys just wait for us up there, okay?
Okay. We'll be right there.
We'll see you on the other side.
See you on the other side of the wall.
Oh, no.
Hey, we should party now that they're gone.
What?
Why would we do that?
Why would we do that?
That would be pretty awesome, actually.
He's so happy to be out of his car seat. Yay, Linky! Look at that. He's like, I'm free! Oh my gosh. Where are you going? Wow!
He's gonna get me!
You ready? You ready? You ready?
And there he goes. Oh.
One-legged tricep dips. Go. Okay, other side.
This is
Oh, I forgot it's hard
a
to
workout.
really just see it.
We're
Okay,
playing.
Simon says do some jumping jacks.
This ain't some says this is a workout.
Simon says do high knees.
Getting all that
Simon
energy out.
says stretch your legs.
Linky starts.
Go to the other side.
Linky just plows like.
Simon says
Oh, careful, Linky.
do a real push-up.
He's like, I'm good. He's trying so hard to give him a hug. He's like, I will get this.
Next
This is really awkward, guys. We are still waiting for our rooms. They're a little late, so we are just turning off some energy in this crosswalk area where we feel like we can be a little bit louder and a little bit rowdier without disturbing too many people. The kids are like running laps. Reese is playing Simon Says Workout Edition with them. Linky's looking at all the cars. You see the cars?
I think he's actually. I can do it. Squat.
Gotta get that workout in somehow.
Bro, I can do it with Kara. We're the same weight.
Oh my gosh. That can't be comfortable for Kira. And nobody else is gonna do that now.
I was gonna try to do a burpee with her.
Wait,
What are you guys?
Hilarious.
They're like, we have retrieved our brother. Careful. We go.
Got the keys.
We got the keys. We're ready to go. Can we all fit? Oh, this is a little bit bigger. We all fit in an elevator. Woo!
So you know it's a good sized elevator if it can fit all of
We
us.
could fit like 3 more people.
We could,
One right
Ethan.
here and one right there and one right there.
We could definitely have a few more people in our
But I'm
family.
only in it.
I really want a baby brother.
Good job. We made it.
We got it.
This is nice.
Nice corner room.
Yeah.
Dude, look at that
there's a
dadgum
bunk
view.
room.
Oh yeah.
Cool.
Yeah.
This is nice. Oh, this is a nice room too. Let's see. And hey guys, bathroom for the girls. What a pretty room. Nice kitchen to cook in.
Oh my gosh. What do you think? Should we eat dinner out on the balcony tonight?
Yes.
Oh my goodness. Let me see in here first. And I guess this is the master.
Bedroom.
Yeah. This is nice. Tub. Hey, Poppy, are you excited? Oh my gosh, Steven.
Come on.
We've got a view from the master bedroom. Yeah, we do.
Yeah, we do.
Oh my gosh.
What's up, Wolf?
Wow.
Hey.
Oh, it connects over to the living room. Cool. Oh, and a place to sit out here too. This is a really big patio.
The waves don't even look like
Wow.
they're moving out there. It looks like frozen.
Wow, guys.
Whoa.
What's up, beautiful people?
This is gorgeous. Oh, we're gonna have some fun this week. Literally gave us the corner view here. You can see the city over there. And the entire shoreline.
I can get used to
Hey,
this.
this is so nice.
I can get used to this.
This is such a nice room for them to
I'm a
put
fan.
our family in
I'm
for
a
the
big
week.
fan. Yeah,
I'm so grateful.
this is amazing.
This is part of our thing that we're doing this week. But
Yeah.
So like they covered this for us, which is really
Yeah.
such a blessing. And
Put
so
us on a corner room.
yeah,
4-bedroom condo.
so nice.
Already know what.
Yeah, Lincoln.
Oh, he's got magazine, of course.
he found himself a book. What? Oh yeah, there are some pools
We got
down
hot tub.
there.
Another hot.
Oh, that looks really
hot
nice.
tubs.
Yeah, hot tub.
Got that
Three
camera.
hot
Pools. They said that there was like a little kiddie pool too with like a fountain and stuff.
Oh, it's right there. You see it? That-
Yeah, oh, the little fountain right there. Fun. And then direct access right there to the beach. This is so nice too,
So
Steven, because we
rad.
don't have to like, you know, like the other places we've stayed have been really nice, but you kind of have to.
Kind of a trek to
Yeah.
the beach, and we just walk out to it.
I know that we've talked about this in previous vlogs, but Steven and I are very different in how we do things. He likes to fold and put away all of his stuff into drawers, and I generally just I have everything like organized in my suitcase, so then I just get it out of the suitcase. But it drives him crazy. He's like, I have to have it in the drawers.
It's
But
gonna
then-
be easier to access.
Right, and I get that, but then I'm like, we're gonna leave it in these drawers. We're gonna forget things
won't
in
leave it.
drawers.
I won't leave it.
What?
I need my shirts, my shorts, my underwear, my socks, all in different sections. Because otherwise they just get all wrinkly.
Right. You guys let us know what kind of people are you. Do you love to put your stuff away or do you just live out of the suitcase? Because personally I feel like it's easier to just live out of the suitcase if it's a well organized suitcase. Still cannot believe that that is literally the view. Like, this is the bed,
To that view.
that is the ocean.
Whole week.
These are the children climbing all over. What if we all just climb onto this bed tonight, huh? See if the entire family can fit on this bed.
Yeah.
Linky, Lincoln would love that, wouldn't you, Linky? He's like, I'm reading.
Exactly though.
Yeah, well, we missed nap time and he was up. Yeah, he was up at 5 this morning.
Is there another one?
We just had like a little power nap in the car. I can't believe he's still awake.
One out.
Bob.
Oh,
Don't get a fan.
bye. He's like, bye, I'm reading my book.
I need
Do not disturb.
My magazine.
Stephen just got this cart that was delivered.
They're taking good care of us this week.
they are
They're
taking-
giving us all of the things that are good.
Like, I'm literally speechless. I mean, in all of the years that we've done events and stuff, we've never had a cart full of food delivered, so that's amazing.
Bunches of oats.
Oh, wow, guys.
Fruity Pebbles.
You guys get some sugary cereal this week. That never happens. The look on their face, they're like, woo!
What's better?
Oh, Pop-Tarts. Yeah, lots of treats this week. Look at this. They've got LaCroix, baby. You love LaCroix. Orange
And we got
juice.
popcorn.
Trash bag.
We got
Popcorn. We gotta pop the popcorn for the Olympics.
jelly.
Wow.
Soap for the hands.
Oh my gosh, guys. This is amazing. They're so nice.
Dishwashing packets. Baggies.
Oh, that's good. Do you know what? Steven, did you see this? Honey Bunches of Oats? When Steven and I were first married, we basically lived on honey bunches of oats and like canned green beans and like really thin.
$1 shoulder steaks.
Yeah, but yeah, we basically had honey bunches of oats every single morning and sometimes for dinner too. We were addicted to that stuff, but I haven't had it in probably a decade now, so bringing back all the memories. All right, so we have opted for a quick bowl of cereal, and then we'll probably go ahead and order something later too, but this is gonna hold us over. Linky went down for a quick little power nap because he could not hang after getting up at 5 a.m. So we're like, we're gonna do a little nap and then he can kind of be up with us watching the Olympics for a little bit. But it's a cereal kind of night, at least a preliminary dinner before we get to our second dinner, right?
Yeah.
Ruins up our second dinner, right? Yeah.
Look at that.
How do you say you're on vacation without saying you're on vacation?
Cereal.
Cereal for dinner?
Cheers.
Mom, did you eat that? Did you?
Honey bunches of oats.
How is it?
Throwback Thursday.
Good.
Or
Feel
Friday.
like a young 18-year-old again. Whoa, look at this. Wow. There is a storm coming in. Looks like it.
We came out
At least
here.
just some rain.
We came out here and it
Oh
was
my
like
gosh.
sunny. And then like we look over there and it's like dark clouds. Like,
Yeah, it's blowing in. It's so beautiful. Look at
I
this.
think I see the girl.
You see the girls walking back? The big kids went to go get some ice cream right across the street. Is that them down there?
Hi, girls.
We've got a couple minutes till the Olympics come on. So we told them to hurry back real quickly. That's them.
Race, Jen.
She's waving. That's funny. Hurry back before you get rained on.
What's up?
We've got just a couple minutes till the Olympics. Oh my gosh. Can you tell we're excited, guys? I mean, really. Oh wow, look at this way, guys.
You can build like millions of baseball fields in the ocean.
You could build millions of baseball fields. You could fit a bunch of them in there, huh?
Okay, wait.
Oh, I felt a raindrop. It's coming in.
It was so windy.
Everyone's leaving. Oh, look, you could play volleyball down there, guys.
Yeah, we need to get a volleyball and some boogie.
Y'all will have fun with that.
All right, guys, we are just getting settled in. We got some Chinese food on the way. We've got the Olympics opening ceremonies. We've got our swivel chair so that I can just kind of do all this deal right here. You guys excited about this? Go Team USA, go Team China, go Team Ethiopia. Yeah, buddy, you pumped? I am.
Lincoln says,
So-
"Go Team Snacks."
He said go Team Snack.
That's not the right
I love it. That's not the right snack. Anyway, we're gonna go so we can just enjoy this, but we love you guys. We cannot wait to see you next time. We're gonna have a lot of fun here while we are in Panama City Beach, and we'll see you again soon. So, bye guys. You guys want to say bye? Bye.
For your name's sake, you will lead me back home to you.